rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a McDonald's. This one is going 3 miles.
We'll go to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
Thank you. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $4. Oh, we are starting with the shenanigans way early today, aren't we? We've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Taco Bell and Jack in the Box. These are going just under 10 miles. Actually, I'm pretty sure this could be way less than that, but the route that they're giving me is all kinds of crazy.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Why are they messaging me? Says, hey, just wanted to apologize really quick about the low tip. I'm paying with a gift card, and this order was using most of what was on it. I'll be sure to give you a bit of extra cash when you arrive. It's supposed to be open, but okay.
Good morning, how can I help you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, there you go.
You can just set it down. Again, sorry about the low tip.
Oh, you're all good.
Here.
Thank you. You have a good day. I for sure thought he was gonna change his mind about the tip because I was completely lost. Okay, that order actually did take forever. It ended up being $18 and change. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is that? $24 and change? I mean, not bad actually. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is going 3.5 miles. Yeah, thank you. Hello?
You have my DoorDash order. I was just wondering if you need help getting it.
I was just about to message you, yes.
Okay, where are you at right now?
I
What do you see?
think I need to get back onto the main road because it brought me into like this dead end. The GPS is obviously wrong.
Yeah, no, you're not gonna go through. That gate doesn't open. I'm so sorry. It's really difficult to find this place.
You're all good. I think I know where it is, but the GPS was taking me a different direction. That's why I got confused. Okay, yeah, I thought this was where I was taking me, but I don't know why it took me through a different route this time.
I know, everyone always has a hard time finding this.
I was like 90% sure I was coming to this apartment complex, but GPS thought otherwise, I guess. I don't know why it was trying to take me through the like fire exit. It would be all the way upstairs though. All right, we got that settled. Total for that order was $8. Okay, that was actually pretty good. And we got the next order right away. This is Mr. Maple Donuts going 2.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Yeah, the GPS is not doing me any favors today. It's the third time in a row it sent me to the wrong place. Total for that was $7 and change. And next order up is a McDonald's going 2 miles. Total for that order was just under $7. Next order up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one is going 4 miles. Looks like they're giving me an add-on. Oh, it's the same customer. I think they just ordered McDonald's, which is perfect because it's literally right next to the Taco Bell.
Here's that order.
Thank you. No tip on either of those. Yikes. Total ended up being $6 and change. Well, I just declined 2 Jamba Juice orders in a row, so my dash ended. And my acceptance rate is too low that I can't just dash whenever I want, so kind of screwed myself, huh? Okay, it's been like 10 minutes, but my zone finally got busy enough to where I can go back online. Now I just gotta get an order. Okay, finally got an order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 3.5 miles, 2 items. Finally got the next order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $8 and change, going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Got this next order right away. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $10, going 3.5 miles, 6 items. Okay, it's definitely slowed down a bit, so I'm gonna be calling it here. Current time is 10:06. Current total is 73, and we're waiting on 3 Uber tips, which should bring it up to probably close to 90. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.